Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Hey I'm Sin YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit your photos as if you are a cartoonist. Now I'm going to show you the easiest way on how to do this. There's actually a PicsArt tutorial. I'm not going to show you guys exactly my style because I don't want anybody to copy my style of work. Now, all you want to do is open up the PicsArt app, which is available on both iOS and Android devices. Now, as soon as you have this open, just click on your notification tab and you should automatically be following PicsArt. Now, click on the PicsArt channel, scroll down to where you find this exact post with this girl from 2 weeks ago, if you're watching the day I upload it. Now all you want to do is click try, pick a picture. Here I have Taylor Swift, that's all. I'm just going to do a celebrity. And then what you want to do is just, it automatically should outline it. If not, just go around, take your finger, drag it around, see if there's any empty spots, because you don't want that. You know, you want every part of it to be, you know, perfect if you're trying to make this for somebody, or even if you're trying to make it for yourself, especially for the first time people doing this. I don't want you guys to give up if you don't get it like perfect the first try. Now once it's good and you have it cut out perfectly or to your liking, it should bring you to this filter called Badlands, and you can adjust how much of this effect you want. 0 being the most, 100 being none. Now I usually do like anywhere from like 55 to like all the way down to like 20. But with her, I don't think it would look right all the way down, so I'd keep it at like 40. That seems like a good option. Now here's where you can change your hair color and stuff. Now you can change to anything you want. If I don't want to like change the girl's original hairstyle, I literally, a lot of these girls have that I do or request art or for me to edit their photos have blonde, brownish hair. Just use like the third color next to the black color and the blue or purple color. I'm colorblind, so sorry. But yeah, I'm gonna keep her hair like that so it looks nice and detailed, and we can add the saturation up a little bit. And it really just brings out everything, makes it pop a little bit. I say keep the background as white, because if you make it anything else, then that's going to be hard to edit the dripping effect, because then you actually need to find a dripping effect that is the same color as the background, and you can't just change this as easy. I mean, unless you color it in. Now, what I do is just bring it down a little bit, make it smaller, and then bring it up to like right here. Only bring it up to like not even their shoulders, because it makes the dripping effect look bad. It doesn't make it look professional. Now, depending on the photo, you can adjust it if they show more chest. This picture, she does not have much of a chest here. So we're just gonna do what we can with that. Now, as you see, there's that little black spots. Now I'm gonna show you how to get rid of those, or those little dark spots. Now what you want to do is you want to click on draw, click on the color tool, click on color, and then make it white. Zoom in and just lightly go around the edges. Now it's okay if it's a little bit rough, because people are going to be seeing this picture zoomed out a little bit. So it's not like they're going to see these messed up edges. Alright, now that we're done with that, now here's the fun part. Now all you have to do is you go to the sticker option. It should be one of the first options if you scroll all the way back. Now click the sticker option and search up any stickers. I usually use emojis. As you can see here, this is how I make my thumbnails and stuff. And I'm pretty sure there's a recent tab Alright, so it didn't save all my recents, it just only saved up to then. I usually do like the red heart emoji. Now, here's how to make it look like it's behind them. So what you do is you just adjust it, put it in place first, obviously. Don't make it outside of the original box of the dripping effect, because then it just looks wrong, you know? So what you do is you just adjust it to wherever you want it. You click the erase tool, and you just go to town, basically. And it's okay, you can rough it up a little bit at first. And then just get the erase where where it's on her. And then you just outline it, basically. Alright, there we go with the first sticker. Now, you can go ahead and do more stickers. I'm only going to do one more sticker just to show you an extra example. Here, we'll do a halo, you know? Let's do type in neon circle. Now, you can choose from any of these circles. Which one? I might just use the normal one that I use, that a lot of people use actually. Where is it? Right here. Now what you do is you just stretch it out like that. Now don't put it in the middle, because depending on where the picture is taken, you don't want to just do that. Put it up in like the middle of like her head, like her head, not the picture. Now don't make it too high up, or it's gonna look like it's not like there naturally. Supposed to make it look like a halo, of course. So what you do with this is the same thing with the other sticker. Now just erase back here. You don't want to make it look like it's weird, you know? So just erase, keep going erasing. And you should be good. Now, if you guys want to put your names over these things, all you have to do is, I'm pretty sure, I usually put my names, but I don't lower the opacity or anything. So what you do is, so if it's me, I usually put my Snapchat name, which is this. So what you do is you just heighten the stroke, give it a color, and then lower the opacity like this. Usually you can do it like this if you want. I feel like that would be better, just so nobody can steal your work, you know? Or maybe even just go like this and do it a couple times. And alright, so here's the cool part. You can duplicate it like this, so you don't have to edit the settings. And you can just keep doing that over and over and over again. And there you go. You've now made a picture look like a cartoon. If you guys want more tutorials, just subscribe, leave a comment on which I should do next. Because right now I'm pretty clueless on what I should do. I was thinking more of like a gaming tutorial, such as like Minecraft, if anybody needs help installing like mod packs on your phone. Because I know how to do that, and I'm also exploring different things on the iOS devices that are non-jailbroken. But if you guys need help, just let me know in the comments. Feel free. I'm always available, so I'll respond to you as quickly as I can to give you tips. And if you guys even want to follow me on Instagram and message me if you need help, I'll hop into a call with you and we can figure this out.